transferring videos from your iPhone to your Windows PC.
But getting blank icons instead of video thumbnails?
Yeah, it's super annoying.
But don't worry, in the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to fix that 100%. Free using a tool called K-Lite Codec Pack.
First, open your browser and head to codecguide.com. That's the official site for K-Lite Codec Pack. I'll drop the link in the description to save you time. Now scroll down just a bit and look for the standard version. That's the one we want, a perfect balance of features without the bloat. Click it, download it. It should take less than a minute. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and run the installer. Hit yes if Windows asks for permission. Choose normal installation, then hit next a few times. K-Lite is smart, it picks the best settings automatically. In this video, I chose advanced installation just so I can confirm .mov is selected in the options. You can follow the options I've checked in this video. I kept double checking if .mov is selected in all the options. To be certain. I don't want to come back and reinstall this just because I missed a checkbox. Follow the prompts, let it run, and complete the installation. If you have your File Explorer open in the background like I did, you may start seeing thumbnails appearing towards the end of the installation. And boom, you're done. Look at that, video previews are finally working. No more guessing what's what. And that's it, quick, easy, and totally free. If this helped you out, smash that like button, and consider subscribing for more tech tips like this. If you have any other Windows quirks you want to have fixed, drop them in the comments below. I might feature yours next. See you next time.